Immobiliser fitting. This is a 2019 Japanese imported Toyota Land Cruiser protected with a Halo Mini. So when you start the vehicle, all you got to do, pop a simple code in, 1 2 3 4, receive a flash from the full beam and the fog light. You can drive the vehicle away. When you turn the vehicle off, it activates instantly, confirmed with a double flash. If a thief grabbed the key as you hopped out, done a relay attack, went to steal your vehicle, they'll get the vehicle started, but as soon as they pop it into gear, the vehicle's going to die. It's not going anywhere. Whether that's drive, reverse, pop it into gear, vehicle cuts out. So for the customers, just simple, hop in, do a code, drive away. If you want to take this for a service to turn the system off, when it goes to Toyota, no need to start the car, foot off the brake, double tap the start button so the ignition comes on, pop your code in and hold on the last button. So we'll keep it held. We've got one flash to confirm. Now we've got 5 flashes, we can let go of the button and the vehicle's in service mode. You'll know because when you turn it off, you get no flashes. We start the car up and it goes into gear, no problem. So this means Toyota can road test it, service it, do whatever they need to do. It's not a problem. It's not going to be a case where you have to hand over your code. The system's just fully disarmed. When you get it home, just like you did before, foot off the brake, double tap the start button, pop your code in and hold again on the last press. This time you're just going to get one flash, so keep it held till you get that. Take about 10 seconds. There we go, we've got our one flash, the system's back on. You'll know when you turn the ignition off, you get 2 flashes and the system's active again. If you want to change the code on this Halo Mini, what you'll do, turn the ignition on, pop your code in, so we have right, right, left, left. We receive our flash. We'll then put our foot to the floor 10 times on the accelerator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Receive a double flash, it's ready for a code. So we'll just set left, right, up, down. We'll turn the ignition off. That's our new code learnt, simple as that. So now when we get in, we'll start the car. Left, right, up, down. Receive our flash and we can drive away. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and as you've seen, it's a Japanese imported 2019 Toyota Land Cruiser V8 with a Halo Mini. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.